Hello friends, how are you? This is my first YouTube video, and in this video I am gonna review Divoom Tivoo Bluetooth speaker. So let's see what it has got. Let us unbox and see what it has got inside. The packaging was quite good. I am very happy with the seller. Now we have got another layer, and this packaging is quite good. It saves your product in transit. So guys, this is the product over here, and you can clearly see Divoom Tivoo written over it, and here we can see the specifications given over here. Which says 6-watt audio power DSP processor. It has enhanced bass, switchable channels, mobile applications, pixel art creations, alarm, and sleep aid. Wow, that's a very good option. I think if you can use your Bluetooth speaker as an alarm, then that's a brownie point. And software updates also. So guys, this is the unboxing. Let's see what's inside this. ये खुला अलादीन का चिराग and you can see this is speaker right over here, and wow, this red color looks quite nice. Speaker is very small. I was thinking it to be quite big, but see, you can clearly see how it has fitted into my hands. So let us switch on this speaker. You can see the Bluetooth connectivity symbol. On the front side we have got these two knobs and one button. This is for the microphone, and if we see the knob number 1, so this is for the display settings. We can adjust these display settings, like if we rotate this rotary switch, then it will be changing to various themes. We can see clock, night light, etc. And this knob number 2 is for the volume adjustment, and if we press this knob while playing music, we can play and pause music, and if we double click on this music, then next track, and if we click 3 times, then the previous track. Likewise, this button number 3 is for the various connectivity modes, like this is for the Bluetooth, and this is for the aux in. We have also the third mode for TF card. This is the speaker portion, and here it is the bass port. Wow, this rubber quality is also quite good, and this is quite sturdy. And here you have got reset button, auxiliary port, USB, and this one is, I think, for micro SD card. Yeah. You can use this power button even when this lid is closed. As you can see, the sign of the power button is also here. We also get user manual. Let us see what it has got inside. Divoom Tivoo. Yes, this is the user manual. Loads of things written inside it. But let's see what it has got. Oh wow, these are the pixel art. Really nice. You can stick it on your walls. Wow, really nice things to give this. And see, Divoom postcards also are there, envelope or postcard, whatever. You can clearly see how nice they look. These are definitely great add-ons. And what's inside this, let us see. I think it might include, yes, cables inside. Just let me see. Your USB cable, and this is the auxiliary cable to connect with your speaker. To use all the features of Divoom Tivoo, you need to download the app from Play Store, and this is the home screen of the app. And if we click on the design button, then this screen will appear. On this screen, if we draw anything, then it will directly be drawn onto the screen of Divoom Tivoo. Let me tell you some other important features. Like if you click on this animation button and write anything, then it will appear on the Tivoo screen in the following manner, and you can change the background color as per your wish. Guys, this tool contains tons of options. Like if we go into notification, we can choose what notifications we want to appear on our Divoom screen. You can set your alarm. One interesting feature that I found is the mixer, in which you can be your own DJ. You can create your own music. And guys, these are only few features that I have told you. There are lots of features that you can explore by yourself. And coming to the best part, the quality of sound. So let's hear.